Native American rights are often impacted in the court of law. Tribal governments and courts take part in legal disputes involving internal and external entities that define and redefine the legal rights Native citizens have in tribal and United States courts. It can be difficult to follow the changing legal interpretations and definitions associated with Native American law, and several landmark cases are currently in the U.S. court system that could fundamentally change the future of Muscogee Creek Nation. Oral arguments in Carpenter v. Murphy are set to begin on Tuesday, November 27th in the United States Supreme Court. The question before the court is whether the 1866 territorial boundaries of the Creek Nation within the former Indian Territory of eastern Oklahoma constitute an Indian reservation today under 18 U.S.C. Section 1151A. If the Supreme Court decides that the 1866 boundaries of the Creek Nation constitute a reservation today, all local and state municipalities will no longer have criminal jurisdiction over Native American citizens within those boundaries. In addition, any Native American citizen that was arrested and convicted of a crime by the state of Oklahoma within the same boundaries would be entitled to an appeal and possible release due to lack of jurisdiction on the state's part. Muscogee Vision will have more from oral arguments on this case in the first week in December. July 26th of this year, two Freedmen descendants held a press conference to announce a lawsuit against MCN Principal Chief James Floyd and the Department of the Interior. The suit seeks full citizenship for the plaintiffs in the Muscogee Creek Nation. On October 5th, both the DOI and Principal Chief James Floyd filed motions to dismiss the case. Plaintiff's response to motion was set for October 29th. Ultimately, the decision in this case could impact the requirements of citizenship for the MCN, as well as possibly require amendments to the MCN Constitution. May 1st of this year, MCN filed suit against the United States Department of Health and Human Services in an attempt to recover $94 million in alleged underpaid funding. September 14th, both parties to the suit filed a motion to stay the proceedings so that they can continue the settlement negotiations. September 24th, the motion was granted with the condition that each party should periodically report to the court on the progress of negotiations before or on October 31st, November 30th, and December 31st. July 17th, Eufaula Indian Community CEO Judd Pickering, Treasurer Tawana Susie Deere, and Office Manager Lydia Anglin were charged by MCN with theft of the nation's funds, program income, and other federal funds. The complaints allege Pickering stole $42,517 from community center funds, Anglin $13,631, and Deere $6,350. All three individuals entered pleas of not guilty. Further deposition in the case is scheduled for November 26th in the MCN District Court. April 3rd, the Muscogee Creek Nation filed a lawsuit against 7 opioid manufacturers. In an MCN press release, the 7 manufacturers named in the suit are Purdue Pharma LP, Purdue Pharma Inc., the Purdue Frederick Company, and Endo Health Solutions, Inc., as well as distributors McKesson Corporation, Cardinal Health Incorporated, and Amerisource Bergen Corporation, as well as pharmacies CVS Health Corporation, Walgreens Boots Alliance Inc., and Walmart Stores Incorporated. The case was transferred from the Northern Oklahoma District Court to the Northern Ohio District Court for inclusion in the multi-district lawsuit MDL 2804, which is a consolidation of over 450 similar lawsuits against opiate manufacturers. Litigation is ongoing in this lawsuit. Muscogee Media will update any information related with these cases as it becomes available.